Help! I've lost all my lightburn windows and I can't find them.
Ain't that the worst? Hey, Waldwick, Ruts here, and I'm going to help you find those windows that have disappeared on you. So I shrink my face, and I go into my software to find, somebody's been playing around on my computer, and they got rid of all the windows. It's very simple. Tools. It's even simpler than that. I just messed up. Window. And here you're going to have a variety of windows available. I haven't played with all of these, but I can tell you that what I typically have up is cuts, window, laser, window, library. So now, whoop, there we go. Now it's actually set up. You can click and drag these around the window if you feel like you want to optimize your experience and you think it'll work better one way or another. But once again, all you really have to do is window, click, make sure the option's available, and put it back where you are. Happy to get you back on the path. Happy making.